Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log out of TradingView application on your smartphone. If you're using the TradingView app and wondering how you can properly log out of your account, especially after the recent app updates, you are in the right place. First of all, open up your TradingView application on your smartphone. From the home page or the watchlist page, tap on Menu at the bottom right. In the menu page, scroll all the way down to find the Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out, but make sure you remember how you've previously logged into your account. Once you have hold of your credentials, you can log in anytime you want. If you're sure you'd like to log out, click on Yes. And that's how you easily log out or sign out of TradingView application using your mobile device. Your saved charts and watch list will be still there next time you sign in. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.